Welcome back to Myel's Luxury Auto. In 2026, the luxury motorhome segment stretches beyond traditional RV builders. Manufacturers known for supercars and SUVs are planting conceptual flags in the realm of ultra-premium mobile living. At the forefront, Cadillac's open space concept reimagines what an autonomous, all-electric motorhome could be. Built on GM's Ultium platform and intended as LEVEL5 autonomous, it features expandable living spaces and a rooftop deck that opens up into a panoramic living environment. When stationary, the vehicle's panels extend to create lounge zones, kitchen space, even a bed that looks more like a luxury hotel suite. Inside, refined wood veneers, soft-touch upholstery, a wine pantry, and ceiling-mounted constellation displays hint at a nomadic sanctuary rather than an RV. Though unlikely ever to reach production, OpenSpace lays out Cadillac's vision for a future where travel, leisure, and living meld seamlessly. Moving to Chevrolet, while no factory-built luxury motorhome exists as of mid-2025, its Express van and Silverado truck platforms are frequently used by top-tier conversion firms to produce upscale mobile retreats. These conversions commonly include handcrafted leather seating, modular kitchens with quartz countertops, solar-assisted power systems, hybrid or plug-in drivetrain options, fully automated slide-outs, and intelligent home controls. Chevrolet vans and trucks offer rugged engineering, high towing capacity, and expansive interiors that custom builders elevate into bespoke luxury coaches, an analog real-world complement to Cadillac's conceptual boldness. Imagining Chevrolet's top 3 2026 luxury motorhome offerings draws on both conversion trends and hopeful conceptizations. First, a full-size Express Platinum coach, based on the Chevrolet Express van with reinforced chassis, hybrid drives, and lavish interiors including massage seats, marble counters, and climate-controlled zones. Second, a Silverado RV Elite, built on heavy-duty Silverado HD chassis, featuring hydraulic slide-out lounges, panoramic windows, diesel-electric hybrid power, onboard entertainment systems and off-grid autonomy. And third, a mid-sized Traverse Grand Cruiser Hybrid, envisaged as a super van combining Traverse electric PHEV underpinnings with fold-away beds, kitchen pods, 5G connected workspace, automated furniture and solar-powered living modules. Each concept blends Chevrolet's practical platforms with high-end mobile living trends. Meanwhile, Range Rover appears to remain focused on extending its legacy in luxury SUVs into the electric era rather than RV manufacturing. The upcoming Range Rover Electric, including plug-in and mild hybrid powertrains, promises serene, silent propulsion in ultra-luxury SUV form. With EV range up to approximately 94 km on electric alone WLTP, 530 PS power outputs, and SUV 4.6-second S-curve 0 to 100 km/h performance, it solidifies Range Rover's credibility as an electrified flagship, but no RV concept from them has emerged in credible reporting as of mid-2025. That said, bespoke builds sometimes repurpose Range Rover bodies. Enthusiasts have transformed Range Rover Velours with V10 Lamborghini engines into desert pre-runners, but these are one-off art builds, not factory-backed motorhome projects. Lamborghini similarly has no official venture into motorhome design. Their rare concept or custom entries into mobile accommodation are virtually non-existent. High-end builds combining Lamborghini engines with other chassis exist but are tailored to off-road trophy truck art rather than functional touring homes. For example, a Velour-based pre-runner with twin-turbo Lamborghini V10 power was built and shown at SEMA, highlighting extravagance but not mobility as a luxury living space. In essence, no Lamborghini branded or backed RV product, concept or prototype, is confirmed for 2026. That leaves 3 standout visions: Cadillac's futuristic open space, ambitious but conceptual, Chevrolet-based luxury conversion motorhomes built in reality today, and speculative Range Rover or Lamborghini motorhome visions which remain unsupported. Cadillac OpenSpace looms as the most imaginative of the lot, a Level 5 autonomous, all-electric nomadic suite that opens into living modules with rooftop vistas, a wine bar, sleep area, lounge, and smart glass environment defined for comfort and scenery connection. It sits alongside Chevrolet's real-world conversions leveraging Express and Silverado chassis, custom motorhomes with handcrafted interiors, integrated solar power, hybrid or electric power, slide-outs, modular kitchens and entertainment, delivering tangible ultra-luxury travel on proven platforms. Range Rover remains strictly in the luxury SUV domain. Their electric SUV represents superb on-road comfort and performance, but they have not published or hinted at motorhome concepts. Lamborghini's involvement is even more tenuous, limited to engine swaps in artistic builds rather than mobile luxury design. So while their names evoke prestige, only Cadillac and Chevrolet have any clear linkage to luxury motorhomes in 2026, with Cadillac offering vision and Chevrolet providing real conversion-based vehicles crafted today. For viewers seeking what the top 3 luxury motorhomes of 2026 might be under these brands, my curated selection follows. Cadillac OpenSpace, an electric autonomous motorhome concept that transforms into living modules when parked. It redefines luxury travel as autonomous lodging. Custom Chevrolet Express Platinum Coach, hypothetical but grounded in real conversion capabilities, handcrafted comfort, off-grid tech, hybrid power, and spacious mobility. Silverado RV Elite or Traverse Grand Cruiser hybrid conversions, diesel electric or hybrid builds on Silverado HD or Traverse PHEV platforms, offering slide-out luxury living, panoramic windows, smart home features, and mobile workspace capability. These 3 represent concept, ultra-premium build, and agile luxury converter, Cadillac's futuristic vision, Chevrolet's real-world substance, and concept builds echoing those brands' engineering strength. While Range Rover and Lamborghini carry immense brand prestige, no direct motorhome product or concept is evident in verified sources for 2026, or in enthusiast builds beyond extreme custom conversions. Cadillac's OpenSpace remains the most forward-thinking beacon, but it is speculative. Chevrolet-based custom luxury motorhomes are the real, available pinnacle today, built on proven platforms and offering tailored high-end accommodations for those seeking the intersection of travel freedom and refinement. As of August 6, 2025, no Range Rover or Lamborghini motorhomes are confirmed or publicly documented. Instead, Cadillac's conceptual ambition and Chevrolet's conversion realities define the landscape of 2026 ultra-luxury motorhomes associated with these iconic brands. Consider this narrative a mashup of concept, conversion industry insight, and future gazing, ideal for a forward-looking YouTube article inviting viewers to explore what high-end mobile living might look like in 2026 under the Cadillac, Chevrolet, Range Rover, and Lamborghini banners. Like, subscribe, thanks.